Good morning, good morning. So, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 1999 Ford Explorer 4.0 liters engine. And actually, I did repair this car like a couple, almost 2 months ago with the lean condition. Now it's back. It has another issue, which is the misfire. So let's go to the inside the car and I'll be showing you. It has a misfire code. Actually, I already pre-diagnosed it because I just wanna make sure the car is warm. But I just wanna show you the code, and these are the check engine light on. And also it has an ABS, but we're not gonna do that. So in here we got this code P034 and then P0305, cylinder 4 and cylinder 5 misfire. And I already made some notes. So bent bulb is off, it's not turning on yet, it's 0%. Your oxygen sensor, bank 1, so it fluctuates from 0.1 volts millivolts to 0.70 millivolts. That's millivolts, okay. And sensor 2, it's almost at the 0.80 volts, which is good. This is fluctuating and this is constant. But on bank 2, same, it fluctuates, but on sensor 2 it has only 0 volts. So that's why I'm letting the car to run for a couple of minutes. Let's see if there's a changes in here. But it's been running for more than 5 minutes now. And also the mass airflow, we got 5.28 gas per second. So those are the notes that I write down, because it seems like no changes after 5 minutes. So this one, bent bulb, and then sensor, and then this mass airflow. But I just want to also be showing you the data stream. So it's okay. So I did put some data, a couple of data in here. So EGR 96 volt, still the same. Sorry about that. So see this, the heated oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 1. So see that one is fluctuating from 0.1 millivolts to around 70 plus, and this is constant 80. But on in bank 2, same thing, it's fluctuating. But on the sensor 2, it's stuck on 0 volts. So we might gonna check that out. The heater circuit is still on, so that's good. So injector, no error. This is B6, so still no error. What else do we have? So long term, it's good, less than 10%. Okay, there's a changes now in mass airflow. A while ago it's 5 point something, now it's 4.50 something, so that's good. So misfire, number of misfire, short term, yeah, it's good. Where's the misfire? Let's just say yes. It didn't say any amount. Misfire on board diagnostic. Okay, what else do we have? That's That's all we have. So Misfire currently detected. Right now it's no. Let's just press some gas. Let's see. So again, this is just a diagnostic. The customer just wanna know what's going on into his car. Okay, so for sure this one, the bent bulb, I think it need more time to do it. Right now it's still off. So off means the circuit is not on, so the bent bulb is still open until now. So it will close when I don't know. The car is shaking actually. We might gonna check the coil for this car, 4-5. Okay, so this is the coil pack. So we are together. So I think this is number. Don't forget about that number. It's not the right, position. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like, but anyway, let's just remove and let's just check. Remove this. Number 5. Like I said, forget about the number. Let's try this number. This is number 1. Everything. So only just what we are looking here is no changes, but it seems like there's a changes when we remove this one. Okay, I'm gonna remove it. The idle will change. That. Then it will be fine as soon as I put it closer. So let go. It's taking now. There is some changes on the idle. So meaning that's good. So if there's no changes, there is a problem. Oh, this one's good. So last one. Oh boy, seems like the coil is working. There's no changes. Every time I hold the spark plug wire, there's a changes on the idle. So meaning it's working. Right guys, we're just gonna test drive the car and let's see how it goes. I'm not really sure about the ignition coil pack, but for sure the oxygen bank 2 sensor 2 is not working. It's stuck on 0 volts, so that's for sure. We need to replace that. Hold on. Well, I mean, right now it runs good. I mean, no hesitation. But anyway, I'm still gonna drive more, and then let's check my data if there's changes. But again, it accelerates good. I don't feel any misfire, so I'm just gonna drive for a few minutes. Alright, so we're back here, and see that bank 2 sensor 2 oxygen sensor still at 0 volt. Even we press gas, no changes at all. So that's one. And then the EGR, also the EGR doesn't move. Then the bent bulb, it's off. Alright, boy. And then I'm gonna also recommend him to replace the coil pack. So that's it. Again, this is just a diagnostic. I'm gonna tell to the customer my findings, and if you want to continue to repair this car, then I'm gonna make another video. Alright, so if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.